In this lesson, I want to show you that we can also use Prettier as an NPX program rather than as an NPM dependency. So as a reminder, NPX is the command line utility that is installed with NPM. We used NPX, for example, to utilize create React app to create our React application. It's not a dependency that is literally added to our project. More so than that, it's kind of like a global program that we install with NPM or NPX that does something for us on a more global level, such as creating a React project or such as running formatting on a specified file. So I just want to show you, I'm once again going to mess up a couple styles in this app.js file, just make it super ugly again. And this time around, rather than using NPM and our format script, I'm just going to use NPX from the command line. So NPX is going to fetch the latest version of Prettier and kind of store it temporarily and use it to format a given file or a collection of files. So you can utilize this whenever you want to use Prettier on a project that may not have Prettier added as a dependency, and maybe you're not allowed to add it, for example. You can use NPX for those kinds of situations. So once again, here, rather than using NPM, I'm just going to say NPX, and the program I want to utilize is Prettier, and then the interface is going to be the exact same. So for example, if I want to target the src directory and I want to write the formatting changes to the files, I will add --write and then target the src directory just like in the last lesson. So when I execute this command, you can see it's going to fetch Prettier. It's still going to utilize the local Prettier configuration file, by the way, in your project if you have one. And if you don't have one, it's just going to go with Prettier's reasonable starter defaults. So you can see right here, we have once again customized the look and feel of the app.js file. In fact, I can show you one more example. I'm once again going to run npx Prettier. I'm once again going to tell it that I want to write by doing --write, that's the flag. And then I'm going to target the current directory that I'm in, which is the top level of the actual project. I'm going to target that by using the dot. Remember, the dot means the current directory. Just like if we type code dot in the terminal, that means open VS Code in the current directory. This command means run Prettier in the current directory. And it's going to go recursively down, so you can see it's not just going to target our source directory, but also the top level files, like our Tailwind config file right here, our post CSS config file, our HTML file in the public folder, various JSON files. Kind of a good thing to do to just get all your files looking good all at once is just run Prettier from the top level with the dot, and now all our files look pretty good. All right, so that is how you use Prettier from the command line using the NPX utility, and I will see you in the next lesson.